Hi, this is Neeraj, and I will continue talking about the project management course. As we have been talking about the building a team for the project management, and today we are going to discuss on these following 3 points. First one is empowering team members and stakeholders. Second one is training team members and stakeholders, and the third one is engaging and supporting the virtual teams. Project managers need to get a feel for their teams, identify and organize around team strengths, and set up systems to ensure the teams are accountable for their tasks. When forming teams, it is critical to understand the needed competencies and to ensure the team members have those. As part of developing an overall view of project risks, a technique like SWOT analysis, that is strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats, might be used to identify team strengths and weaknesses that may be addressed during the project. Part of forming a team is identifying how the team will make decisions together and how they will handle conflict resolution when disagreements arise. Agile projects tend to avoid using absolute time estimates as the level of uncertainty in the work is often high. Instead, a relative measure like story point estimating is used. Story point estimating can be helpful as an integrated assessment of risk, innovation, and pure effort involved in carrying out a particular task because it allows for not knowing everything that's needed to know to provide a precise time estimate. Now let's talk about the team accountability. Effective project managers generally encourage the team members themselves to self-organize for them to determine the work that must be done in order to meet an objective, to identify how to perform that work and who should perform it. Use Gantt charts and Kanban boards to promote visibility and collaboration. There are literally hundreds of different methods and techniques for running a retrospective, but they generally follow a model like this: set the stage, do some kind of check-in activities to engage the team, gather and share data, team performance metrics and value analysis, etc. Generate insights, what's working, where are challenges, problem analysis. Make decisions, agree on one or two improvements, changes to try in the subsequent iteration. Close. New information, appreciation, and thank yous. Now we are going to discuss about training the team members and stakeholders. The main key objective of the project manager is to make sure team members and stakeholders are adequately trained. Team members may need to be trained in different aspects of the project, the customer environment, and the solution approach. Users, customers, and other stakeholders will require training and other knowledge transfer to ensure successful onboarding of the solution. And this is critical component of the overall organizational change management work required to ensure customer readiness. Training may be provided to teams, small groups, or individuals and can cover management, technical, or administrative topics. Training can be delivered in many ways. While not an exhaustive list, some training delivery models include instructor-led classroom, virtual classroom, self-paced e-learning, document reviews, interactive simulations, on-the-job training. Now we are supposed to discuss about the third point: engage and support virtual teams. In this topic, we will look at how to stand up and help the virtual team become effective and give high performance. When many managers think about virtual teams, they quickly begin to think about use of collaboration techniques or technology, I can say. There are a number of different collaboration tools common in projects with virtual teams, including shared task boards and burn up chats to promote visibility, shared messagings and chat boards to enable quick ad hoc communications, knowledge repositories to store shared documents, video conferencing tools to create more opportunity for face-to-face collaboration. Virtual team members need what all team members need: a shared goal, a clear purpose, and clarity on their role and what is expected of them. Key guidelines for implementing effective virtual teams include: figure out how and why they need to communicate and collaborate with one another. Then look at how technologies and tools can help. Recognize that team formation in virtual environment is difficult, so it's critical to reinforce the team's mutual commitments, achievements, and opportunities. When possible, provide opportunities for the virtual team members to meet in person, build relationships, have fun together, and nurture their shared commitment to the project's goal. We also need to discuss about the variance analysis. Variance is defined as a quantifiable deviation, departure, or divergence away from a known baseline or expected value. The project manager may produce variance analysis of different kinds as the team carries out its work. So this is it for a day. In our next class, we will start talking about how to build shared understanding about a project, its vision, project charter, agile ceremonies, and many more. Thank you so much.